what's one thing that you now know that is true based on your experience that we, the rest of the world, needs to know?
The one true thing I've learned is that being there is important.
I knew that there would be learning, but the amount of learning that there is has been extraordinary.
I think the biggest takeaway for me is probably more about other disabilities, because there's so much to think about.
Interesting things happen when there's friction, when we are challenged, when we think, oh, that's not going to happen, but it will happen.
I hope you leave tonight inspired, not because we're talking about disability, but because you see disability-led design as a catalyst for creativity, connection, and better design for all.